So hello guys, in this video I am going to tell about some amazing tourist places of Uttarakhand. As we all know, Uttarakhand or Uttaranchal is known for its natural beauty of the Himalayas, the simply heaven on earth. Uttarakhand is often referred to as the Devbhoomi or land of the gods due to the many hills and pilgrimage centers. Haridwar is one of the 7 holiest places for Hindus. It literally means gateway to God, and it is the place where the holy Gangas leave the mountains to flow down God's own town. Thousands of devotees came here every week to bath in the holy water and gather round the Har Ki Pauri for the evening aarti and prayers. Associated with hundreds of legends from the times as old as Ramayana, every ghat and almost every other corner has a story to tell the visitors. No wonder there is so much about the city many of us may not know despite visiting several times. So next time when you are here, be sure to take note of these points for sure. So next is Kedarnath Mandir, which is dedicated to Lord Shiva, Mahadev, located on the Garhwal Himalayan ridge near the Mandakini river. Due to extreme weather conditions, the temple is open to the general public only between the months of April and November. Kedarnath is seen as a homogeneous form of Lord Shiva, the Lord of Kedarkhand, the historical name of the region. The temple is not directly accessible by road and has to be reached by a 22 kilometers uphill trek from Gaurikhand. If you like adventure, you should visit to Kedarnath twice in your life. Badrinath or Badrinarayan temple is a Hindu temple dedicated to Lord Vishnu, which is situated in a town of Badrinath in Uttarakhand, India. The temple and town form one of the 4 Char Dham and Chota Char Dham pilgrim sites. The temple is also one of the 108 Divya Desams dedicated to Vishnu, who is worshipped as Badrinath. Holy shrines and Vaishnavatis. It is open for 6 months every year, between the end of April and the beginning of November, because of extreme weather condition in the Himalayan region. The temple is located in Garhwal Hill tracks in Chamoli district along the banks of Alaknanda. It is the one of the most visited pilgrim center of India, having recorded 10,60,000 visits. One of India's most popular national parks, Corbett National Park. It has dense forest and array of wildlife, although tiger sites aren't as common as some other places in India. The park can be explored by jeep or elephant safaris, which take place daily in the early morning and afternoon. The Dikala zone of the park is the most panoramic with stunning valley views. It offers the best chance of animal sightings, which are unfortunately sometimes disappointing. If you are lucky, you might spot 5 elephants. Rishikesh, located not far from Haridwar, is as popular with Western spiritual seekers as Haridwar is with Hindu pilgrims, known as the birthplace of yoga. People flock there to meditate, do yoga, and learn about other aspects of Hinduism in the various ashram and yoga institute. Despite the growing number of visitors, the town lanes and alleys retain an old world charm. It remains a wonderful place to relax and unwind among nature. The hill settlement of Nainital in the Kumaon region of Uttarakhand was a popular summer retreat for the British during the time they ruled India. It features a emerald-colored Denny Lake and an action-filled strip called the Mall, lined and restaurant, shops, hotels and market. Enjoy one of the many forest walks, explore the surrounding areas on horseback or relax on a boat in the lake. This destination gets very crowded during summers, especially on weekends. Due to proximity to Delhi, around Nainital you will find Bhimtal, Ramgarh and Mukteshwar, which are all less developed and quieter place to stay. The remarkable landscape of the Valley of Flowers National Park in the Garhwal region comes alive with the monsoon rain. The high altitude Himalaya Valley has around 300 different varieties of alpine flowers, which appear as a bright carpet of colors against mountainous, snow-capped background. It's a popular trekking destination, open from start of June.